So hello and welcome friend, my name is Dayasankar and welcome back on my YouTube channel Dayasakuntala Vision. So as you can see that behind of me, it is a huge stadium of Kota. It's called Swami Vivekananda Stadium, and stadium for sportsmen, for the person who are interested to doing exercise to stay fit. And if you are the person who are interested to learning yoga, doing exercise or playing game, so stadium and sports is important for you all. But friend, I want to tell you about myself. I like to doing yoga and I prefer yoga. Is easier than any other sports or events. So hello and welcome friend, my name is Dayasankar and welcome back on my YouTube channel Dayasakuntala. We speaking skills, structures makings, advanced vocab, English grammar rules. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。So hello and welcome back on my YouTube channel Dayasakuntala Vision, and this is a second video where I come to meet you all because it have a long time to make any video, and this video is for my subscriber who have hope from me and who have joined my YouTube channel, and the subscriber of our channel is increased 300. I am happy about that. You will be continue with me, okay, through the video, through the live session, through my shorts video and anything. I will continue with you all, okay. So don't be disappointed. This channel will help to you, okay. So friend, as you can see that behind of me, it is a huge stadium of Raipur. It is a Vivekananda Stadium. It is existing in Kota, and Kota is known for academies and sports. Why sports? Because there is a stadium and many events are conducted in this stadium. So sportsmen usually come to Kota for events, and apart from that, the Kota is known for also academies because there are many academies friends. Many academies. Some academies related to jobs. It means government jobs, and some academies related to needs and many important exams. So Kota is a famous place where you come from doing exercise because here is a stadium and come for and preparation of exams. Okay. So friend, as you can see that behind of me, it is a Vivekananda Stadium, and I have seen some poster, and they poster for Khelo India events. It means Khelo India event are going to conduct in this stadium, and I also like to doing exercise and joining sports. I like that, and I like yoga, doing yoga because yoga is easier than any other sports or events because yoga can be do anywhere. It means if you are live in home and you don't have time to go to stadium, so you can do yoga in your own home. That's why easier, you know. And if you want to do run, you must come to stadium because run can be do in stadium because run demands a huge place and huge space to do run, okay. And that's why I prefer yoga if you are the person who want to interested to stay fit in your life and you want to avoid any medicine. So sports and doing yoga is important for you, okay. So you must join in physical activities. I prefer that, and apart from that, you will also learn English because English is a word language, you know, and you know that importance of English nowadays. English is the language which is connect you in all over world. If you don't know English, so you can't connect with other countries. English is must important for you all if you are the person who want to achieve success in your life. If you do job as an officer in your country, so English is important for you all. So English can't be avoided by us. English is included in our life. So don't be scared. Here is there. You will learn English and speaking skills, structures makings, advanced vocab, English grammar rules from this channel. So if you are the person who are watching this video first time, so you have to chance to join with me and my channel. So if you are the one who are haven't subscribed right now, so you have to click button, okay? And I will meet you any other video with another topics. This video is just for meet my subscriber and say thanks to you all because you have subscribed my channel, and I hope I will give you important things and special things which will help you to improve your spokens. So connect with me. If I join a live session, must come in my live session and you can ask any question to any the question can related in speaking English or any field you can ask me, okay? So see you, bye bye, take care you all. We will meet any other video with other topic, okay friend, bye bye.